Hello friends, welcome to my channel 20 Techs. So today we show you the firewall settings and how to allow an application to pass through a firewall. So if you open a firewall settings, so you see these screens. So this screen on settings. So here you see three types of network. One is domain, private, and then public. So these are the three types of network. So where you can just configure your firewall settings in each of the type of network. So and then you can also enable and disable the firewall here. So just go back, and then so what we are interested today is so firewall basically so controls each and every incoming and outcome and connection, and then so what application performs, and then what is the permission and all these things for your application. So if you want to allow any application pass through firewall, so you need to just click on allow app through firewall. So once you click on this, you see this screen open up, and then here you see all the applications which is installed in your Windows 10. And then so you can see two types of network here. One is private and then public. So you can just choose which network it needs to be allowed. So let's say so select any application which is generic. uh, so let us consider Skype. So here you see Skype, and then you see that Skype is allowed through private and then public domain. So Skype basically, so it has internal program which just allows just runs a script and then make private and then public allow. So if you want to change the setting, just click on this and then say change setting. So once you select the change setting, and if you are an admin user of the system, so you will be allowed access to modify these settings. So where you can just choose which domain it needs to be allowed, and then which domain it needs to be disabled. So now just click on anything. So here anything. So and then once you're done with the changes, so just click OK. Or if your application is not listed here, so just click on allow other app, and then you can browse the exe file. And then so once you select the exe file and then say add, so your application will be listed here. And then so you just click on allow, and then when you say OK, so your app will be allowed through firewall. And then so you can just access your application without any restriction. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon.